internship program really put me on a track to success, to finding kind of my dream job and my dream career. So I was really lucky to have the opportunity to get an internship here at DEMA. And it allowed me to kind of get face time with the experts that do the real work. And so I think that was a really eye-opening opportunity for me. I had been working for a college police department as a civilian employee, and I had seen the emergency manager on the campus do a bunch of planning for large-scale disasters and things like that. And I got to do an internship with them, and that put me on the track for seeing that a small group of people that coordinate with our community can really make a significant difference in our institution, our community's preparedness and resilience. And so I think that really put me on the track towards public service. When I was at DEMA, I learned to do exercises, so plan using the Homeland Security Exercise Evaluation Program, and those principles and guidelines allowed me to take those same principles and apply them to any institution. So doing exercises is an incredibly important kind of ability and capability to identify what gaps our institution has and find recommendations to fill those gaps. I think having an internship at DEMA really allows you to broaden your horizons, to understand what is the spectrum of kinds of jobs that are out there. There's so much when it comes to emergency management that you may not be familiar with or have an awareness of that is out there. And so DEMA allows you to work with a variety of different stakeholders and partners, and it takes that kind of whole community aspect to build institutional and community resilience. And DEMA allows you to get to work with those partners and see those partners. I'd recommend an internship at DEMA because it allows you an opportunity to see the diverse stakeholders that are involved and engaged in building resilience and community preparedness. And it takes an enormous amount of people to kind of do that. And so DEMA allows you to see those individuals and understand what does their day-to-day look like. And that allows you to understand, is this something that might be of interest to me, and is it rewarding to me? And for me, it absolutely was.